Jizzle, man, one more time for them boys, alright? Got it. Skirt. Empire of the building, man, you know what time it is. Tell her.
We passing hundreds to the bond, working the trunk with the 10s. Empire, we the dons. Forgive us, cause all of us sin. When you down, better hold up your chin, cause everything else is irrelevant. My mama, she told me I'm better than. What happens, it happens, ain't telling it. We put it right there on the tongue. I put the cash in the bond, I put the rest in the bin. My dog pick me up in the bins. My niggas gon' ride to the end. They told you don't need no friends. I'm faded, I throw on my lens. Give me the J's and some 10s. My pockets looking like two elephants. On another level or element. Don't trust, give a fuck what you telling me. Glock 40, they spell a bit. A nigga just got out of court. I knew that I'm thinking the Lord. I hop in the whip and I floor it. Making drugs, no abort. A nigga feel it like a floor. All this money on the floor. Just hit a lick in a store. Sippin' lean, no pores. Niggas be dissing that fake shit. I'm with my dogs like Vic, bitch. Pulling tricks cause her palms itch. Count money tryna get rich. Taking off like a stick shift.